Oh, hello. This is Drew with Michigan Adventure Life. We're just gassing up Kara, the Michigan Adventure dog, and then me and Dick.
Howdy.
Are gonna take that cart full of stuff to the woods. We're stopped in that third field. Kara's just snooping around. Kara, come here. She's a good girl. Who's a good girl? She's being good. So we're just continuing the journey with the tree stands.
See that big thing hanging out the back? That's John's big tree stand. Tip: if you're gonna build your tree stand with the bolts included with it, make sure they're all facing the same appropriate way. Otherwise, you get your tree stand messed up.
Kara.
Left my sunglasses here last time we were bow hunting.
Still hauling a big trailer full of stuff. Still got the dog. Kara, come here. You're so pretty. This is where we're gonna put John's tree stand. Up in this birch right here. Just unstrap her. Get her done.
Dick tip: if you're gonna bring a big ass tree stand out into the woods, you might want to make sure it clears your cart.
Any Kara tips? Are there any Kara tips? Any Kara tips?
Okay, we got John's tree stand all set. Drew's headed up there right now to ratchet strap it down. Yeah, I hate it too. What was that?
The ratchet.
Oh. Now Drew is ratchet strapping John's tree stand to the actual tree itself. What do you think of John's tree stand, Drew?
It's heavy.
It is very heavy.
It's got this fancy shooting rail though, and this fancy seat, which is probably why it's so heavy and cumbersome. That tightens her right up. John's tree stand is set. Kara's got her backpack back on. How you feeling, Dick?
I'm feeling all right.
Can I go hang my tree stand? You should not film this. You should come.
Drew got his tree stand set up. Little Kara down there protecting it. How do you like it?
It's good.
Yeah?
There's not as much to sit on as John's, but it's a lot easier to set up and a lot lighter. Finishing up for the night. It's getting dark and rainy. Kara's getting tired. Got that last tree stand up in that middle field. Dick will be over there in the ground blind when I'm up here, otherwise he'll be up in my tree, because that's teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Hey, sweetie pie. Hey. She eats the corn. She's part deer, as you can tell. We're gonna hike back.
Dick tip: if you're going to use bait, make sure not to pile it up. Spread it out. For the last year you can use it.
So we went out, set up some tree stands.
Yep. John's was clearly way more difficult to set up than Drew's.
Kara had her first adventure. She hiked 5 miles with her pack on. It was pretty fine. She didn't get very far from us when we dropped her leash. She saw a deer.
Yeah.
We saw a deer. Anyway, if you like this short video of us setting up tree stands in the Huron National Forest, just please give it the thumbs up down at the bottom and click that subscribe link. I think it's over here. Click that subscribe button down here and ring that bell so make sure you see all of our content for all of our adventures and more Kara. Yeah.
Yeah, Kara.
MIAdventureLife.